Since the dawn of humanity, people have never stopped pondering the nature of the universe and reality. Sometimes philosophers, sometimes scientists have tried to answer these fundamental questions. Are we really here? What is the universe? Is the world we live in real? With the advancement of modern technology and the digital age, these questions have taken on a new dimension. One of the most intriguing ideas today is that the universe we live in might actually be a detailed and complex simulation created by an advanced civilization. This is called the simulation hypothesis. This hypothesis has moved beyond just a sci-fi concept and is seriously discussed by philosophers, physicists, and technology experts. So, are there real signs that we might be living in a simulation? In this article, we explore 6 powerful indicators that suggest we might be inside a simulation. The digital encoded nature of physical laws. The workings of the universe seem to resemble a programmed system. Key principles of modern physics, such as quantum mechanics and the fundamental building blocks of the universe, provide significant evidence that the universe has a digital infrastructure. Mysteries of quantum physics. In the quantum world, particles exist not in definite presence or absence, but as waves of probability. An electron can be in multiple places at once, but when observed, it collapses to a definite state, similar to how computations and simulations only process information when necessary. In computer programs, data is only processed when needed. Similarly, the universe remains filled with probabilities until measured. This is considered one of the first signs supporting the simulation hypothesis. Pixelation of the universe. Planck scale. In physics, the Planck length is the smallest measurable unit of space, beyond which physical meaning breaks down. This suggests that the universe is not infinitely continuous but pixelated, much like a digital screen made of pixels. If the universe is actually a massive computational engine, the Planck scale could represent its smallest processing unit, the mathematical foundation of the universe. As the famous physicist Max Tegmark suggests, the universe might fundamentally be a mathematical structure. Supporting the simulation idea, this view argues that all physical laws are mathematical codes and that the universe operates like software. The flexibility of consciousness and perception of reality. The second indicator relates to how fragile and relative our perception of reality is. The way our mind and consciousness perceive the universe might point toward the simulation concept, limitations of perception and virtual reality. Our brain interprets the outside world through 5 senses and combines these inputs mentally. However, these perceptions are not exact copies of the external world, but only interpretations. Dreams, hallucinations, or hypnosis show how much our sense of reality can vary. This suggests reality isn't absolute, but a relative and potentially programmable. The relationship between simulation and consciousness. Some philosophers and scientists propose that conscious experience itself could be an output of software. If we are parts of a programmed simulation, our consciousnesses could be modules within that system. Our perception of reality might be limited and designed as part of the simulation. Anomalies and glitches observed in the universe. No matter how advanced, a simulation might still leave behind traces of errors or boundaries. Some strange phenomena observed in the universe support the simulation glitch theory. Mysterious physical phenomena. In some regions of the universe, there are unexplained phenomena such as dark matter and dark energy. These elements might point to an unseen digital infrastructure beneath the universe. Likewise, quantum entanglement, where particles seem to communicate faster than light, violates classical physics and might hint at the complex underlying code of the universe. Déjà vu and strange time effects. People's experiences of déjà vu, the feeling that something has happened before, could be interpreted as small signs of simulation errors or resets. Also, why time sometimes seems to slow down, speed up, or feel bent might reflect the limits of the simulation's data processing algorithms. Technological advancement in the simulation. Capacities of advanced civilizations. One of the strongest reasons to consider that we might be in a simulation is the pace of technological progress. Humanity has made incredible technological leaps in just a few centuries. If we are inside simulations run by more advanced civilizations, Their technological capabilities must be far beyond ours.